First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 4 on the topic percentage, we are going to solve some of the question that is based on the concept called salary. So remember that if you are preparing for any IT sector interviews or bank exam, railway, SSC, so whatever be, this lesson number 4 and lesson number 5 and lesson number 6 in the topic percentage is very most important. I think lesson number 5, next lesson, is based on the concept called Otis. Lesson number 6, it is based on the concept called marks. So these are the 3 lessons are very most important in the topic percentage. Now, before solving every question in the topic percentage, we always keep something as a base value, 100% as a base value. In lesson number 5, next lesson, based on Otis, where we have kept 100% for the total votes. We don't know what about the total vote, but for the total vote, we have kept the base value as 100%. Similarly, in lesson number 6, based on marks, where we don't know what is the maximum mark, but for the maximum mark, we have kept the base value as 100%. Similarly, in this lesson, based on salary, we don't know what about the salary of the person according to the question, but we used to keep base value for the salary as 100%. So remember that if we don't know what about the salary or a salary, so we always keep it as 100% as a base value. If you feel difficult, right, for some of the toughest question, you will definitely feel difficult while keeping base value as 100%. For those question, you can better keep the base value as rupees 100. So got it? Either you can keep the salary as 100% base value, or otherwise keep the value as rupees 100 base value. So if you are a beginner, try to keep as 100 rupees base value. If you are an expert in solving a percentage question, then try to keep the base value as 100%. But beginners, I am saying, for the toughest question, try to use only rupees 100, right? And also for some experts also I used to say, for the toughest question, try to keep a base value as 100 so that you won't make any mistake in the exam. So now let me move on to all the 10 different questions based on the salary question. Question number 1. Radha spends 40% of her salary on food, 20% on house rent, 10% on entertainment and 10% on conveyance. If her savings at the end of month are rupees 1500, then her salary per month is. So friends, after reading this question, what is our target? Our target to find what is the salary of the person Radha. But what are all the data they have given? From a salary, from Radha's salary, she is spending first 40% on food and 20% on house rent and 10% on entertainment and another 10%. So from her salary, after spending this much of percentage, he had 1500 cash with her. And now by using this data, our target to find what is the salary of the person Radha. Interesting question and also easy question. Just now I have told you in the beginning, we don't know what about the salary of the person. Most of the question we don't know the salary. If we don't know what about a salary, we should keep them as base value, that is 100%. Either you can keep as rupees 100 base value, or otherwise you can keep 100% base value for a salary. So what I am going to do is, I am going to keep Radha's salary as 100% base value. Right? From this salary, she is spending 40% on food, so minus 40. From her salary, we are subtracting 40% because she is spending 40% on food. Similarly, 20% on house rent and another 10% on entertainment and again last 10% on conveyance. So finally 40%, 20%, 10% and 10%. So these are the percentage that Radha spends. Now, and we are just keeping base value 100% is Radha's salary. So from her salary, she is spending this much of percentage. Let me subtract this: 40, 20, 60, 70 and 80. So out of this salary, she is spending 80%. So what is the percentage remaining with her? So 100 minus 80 will be 20%. So now Radha is having 20% amount, and in the question they have directly given that if her savings at the end of month, we know that 20% is a savings, and in the question they have directly given this 20% savings is 1500. So we can say that the savings amount is 1500. Our target to find what is a salary, and we have kept the base value salary as 100%. So 100% is equals to X. Friends, got it? The same procedure that we followed in compound interest, simple interest, etc. Same logic, right? So 20% are savings is 1500. 100% is the base value. We have kept base value as total salary 100%. So 100% is equal to X. So now you need to cross this. Cancel percentage and percentage. When you cross this, X into 20 is equals to 1500 into 100. So now you can cancel 1 0 and again you can cancel 0 here. So 1 2s are 2, cancel this 7 times 7 2s are 14, 750. So finally X is equal to 7500. So friends, finally we found the answer, that is a salary of the person Radha is 7500. So got it? So we have kept the salary base value as 100%. From this salary she is spending 40, 20, 10 and 10. So totally she spent 80%. From her salary we have subtracted this 80%. So resultant will be 20%. He had a cash with her. So if 20%, and the question they have directly given a savings is 1500, and we know that a savings percentage is 20%. So 20% savings will be 1500. 100% is the base value for salary, so is equal to X. So once you cross this, you will get an answer. X is equal to 7500. Question number 2. Kishan spends 30% of his salary on food and donates 3% in trust. He spends rupees 2310 on these two items. Then the total salary of the month is. Listen carefully. After reading the question, what is our target? Again, our target to find what is Kishan's monthly salary. And what are all the data they have given? Kishan, from a salary, he is spending 30% on food and another 3% on trust. Compare with the previous question. Compare the same value with the previous question. In the previous question, our target to find what is Radha's salary. Similarly, they have given Radha, she has spent some percentage on food, entertainment, etc. But at the last, they have given a savings is 1500. But in this question, they have not given the savings. What they have given? He spends rupees 2310. So the amount they have given is the total amount that he spends for the 2%, that is 30% on food and 3% on trust. So these 2%, the total value is 2310. So by using this data, our target to find what is Kishan monthly salary. So listen here. Similarly, let me keep Kishan monthly salary as 100% base value. And from his salary, he is spending 30% on food. So 30% on food and another 3% on trust. So totally he is spending 33%. And from this question, we can definitely say that this 33% from the salary he is spending, which is amount rupees 2310. So 33% is equals to 2310. In the previous question, we have subtracted with 100. Why? Because in the previous question, they have given a value that is savings. But here they have given a value he spends. So he spends 30%, 3%, that is 33%. So spending percentage is 33. And this percentage amount is 2310. Now our target to find what is monthly salary. So we have kept monthly salary as 100% is equal to X. Similarly, cross multiply this. So 33 into X is equals to 2310 into 100. So X is equal to, you can cancel this 70 times. So X is equal to 7000. So for the second question, we got an answer, that is Kishan monthly salary will be rupees 7000. Question number 3. Mr. X spends 35% of his salary on food, 5% of his salary on children education. In January 2011, he spends rupees 17,600 on these two items. His salary for the month is. So similar to the previous question, in this question also, our target to find what is the salary of the person X. And what are all the data they have given? From a person X salary, he is spending 35% on food and another 5% on education. Whether they have given the savings amount or the amount that he spends, here 17,600 is the person, the amount he spends, right? It is not the savings, it's the amount that he spends. So we can say that we can keep a base value, 100% is Mr. X salary. From this salary, he is spending 35% on food and another 5% on children education. So totally the percentage that he is spending is 40 percentage from her salary, and we know that the amount 17,600 is the amount that he spends. So we know that the percentage that he spends is 40 percentage. So this 40 percentage will be 17,600. And our target to find what is the total salary. So salary will be 100 percentage. So 100 percentage is equals to X. Similarly, cross this percentage and percentage. You can cross this 0 and 0. Again, 1 4s are 4. It will be 44, right? So finally, X is equal to 440. Here we have 20. So finally, answer for this question number 3. Mr. X monthly salary is 44,000. So solving every question, it will be easy, right? Based on salary, even they ask a difficult question, if you understand the concept alone, then solving all the question will be so easy. So remember that the value that they have given here, you need to read that carefully, whether it is a savings amount or otherwise the amount that he spends. So question number 3, we got answer as 44,000. Question number 4. Keshav spent rupees 55,475 on his birthday party and rupees 28,525 on buying home appliances, and remaining 25% of the total amount he had a cash with him. What was the total amount? So interesting question. So what they are saying, and what is our target to find? Our target to find what is the total amount Keshav has. And listen carefully, from the total amount, Keshav is spending money on two things. One is birthday party and second is for buying home appliances. If he spends amount for two things, then definitely they have given the remaining 25. He had a cash of remaining 25%. If he spends some money on these two items, definitely this 25% will be the savings. If 25% is the savings, then 75% will be the amount that he spends. Got it, friends? So 55,475 plus 28,525 will be the total amount that he spends. And this amount will be definitely 75%, because after spending this amount, he had 25% cash with him, which is this 25% will be savings. If 25% will be savings, then 75% will be the amount that the Keshav spent on these two things. Now add the values. 5 plus 5, 10, again 10, again 10, 1. So this will be 14, another 1, 5 and 3 will be 8, 84,000. So we can say that 84,000 totally is spent on these two things, which is 75%, and our target to find what is the total amount. So we can say that this 75% is equals to 84000, and our target to find what is the total amount, which is 100%. So 100% is equals to X. Can cancel percentage and percentage, cross this. So 75 into X is equal to 84,000 into 100. So X is equal to, I think we can cancel 75 one times. Again we can cancel 75 one times. So 75 into 2, 150. So 112. So 112,000. So finally we can say that 1,12,000 is the total amount where the Keshav had with him. So answer for question number 4 is 1,12,000. So friends, got the logic, right? From the total amount, he is spending some amount on these two things. If he spends some amount on here and he had a cash with him, that is 25% remaining, then we can say that 75% will be the amount that he spends. So 75% amount that he spends on two items is 84,000, and our target to find what is the total salary, 100%. Question number 5. Ms. Sujata invests 7%, that is 2,710 of her monthly salary in mutual fund. Later she invests 18% of monthly salary in RD and also invests 6% of her salary on NSC. So what is the total annual amount invested by Ms. Sujata? Interesting question. And all the previous question, our target to find the salary of monthly salary or otherwise the total amount. But in this question, our target to find what is the total annual amount, which is 1 year amount that he spends. Interesting. Our target is not to calculate the salary. Our target to find the annual amount that Ms. Sujata spends. And listen carefully, they have given initially Sujata spending 7% in mutual fund, and this 7% value is directly given, which is 2,170. So Sujata is spending 7% on mutual fund. This 7% is 2170. By using this value, we can easily find what is Sujata's salary. Listen here, 7% is 2170. Sujata's salary will be 100% base value is equal to X. So we can cross 0, 0, 1 7s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 31. So X is equal to 31000. So finally we found Sujata's salary is 31,000. So by using the first data, 7% that she spends on mutual fund is 2170. By using this value, we have found what is Sujata's salary, that is 31,000. And they are saying she is spending 7% and another 18% and 6%. Listen carefully, from the salary 100%, she is spending what all the percentage? One is 7% plus and another 18% plus another 6%. So let we add all the values. 18 plus 6 will be 24, 24 plus 7 will be 31. So she is spending 31% from her salary. First let me find what is 31%. After finding the value, we can multiply the value with 12 in order to find the annual amount that she spends. We know that the salary 100% is equals to 31,000. And our target to find what is 31% is equals to X. Cancel percentage 20, 20. So finally X is equal to 310 into 31. So X is equal to 0. So this will be 1. 6 times 9 times. So 9610. So 9610 is the total amount where Sujata spends or he spends on these two items, monthly, a mutual fund and also in RD and also NSC. She is spending monthly 9610, but our target to find the annual amount, which means our target to multiply 9610 into 12. So we need to multiply this. So 9610 into 12 can be written as 10 plus 2 for the easy multiplication. So this can be written as 96100. Similarly multiply this by 2. So this will be 2, 6 2s are 12, remaining will be 18 1 19. When you add this 0 2 3 15 1 11530. So finally we found the total amount she invested, that is 1,15,320. that is the annual amount Miss Sujata invested. Interesting question, right? So finally we solved the question number 5. Answer is 1,15,320. Question number 6. Mr. X spends 20% of his monthly income on household expenditure. Out of a remaining 25%, he spends on children education, 15% on transport, 15% on medicine, 10% on entertainment. He is left with rupees 9,800. After all these expenditure, what is the monthly income? So listen here friends, it's one of the most important question for all the competitive exam. So why we are saying this question is very most important? Because in this question we have found the word remaining. So remaining plays a major role in this question. So what they are saying and what is our target? Our target to find what is the monthly income of the person Mr. X. Initially they have given from the total amount, he is spending 20% on household. And listen the word carefully, after spending this 20%, from the remaining, from the remaining, he is spending 25% on children, transport, medicine and entertainment. So listen how I am going to solve this question. And initially I have told you, if the question is difficult, don't keep the base value as 100%, better keep the base value as rupees 100. And just now in the beginning of the video I have told you, right, if the question is difficult, if you find the word remaining, it will be medium and difficult level question, and while solving, if you find the word remaining, better keep the base value as rupees 100. Listen here, initially Mr. X, from the Mr. X salary, he is spending 20% on household. So what is 20% of 100? So 20% of 100 is 20. So 20 rupees he is spending on household. So 100 minus 20 will be 80. So remaining amount he add rupees 80. Friends, got it? Got the logic? Next thing, out of remaining, out of this 80, got it friends, after spending household things, after spending 20 rupees, subtract with 100 minus 20 will be 80. So out of this remaining 80 rupees, the person is spending 25 on children education, 15 on transport, 15 on medicine, 10 on entertainment. Add all the remaining percentage. 25 plus 15 will be 40. So 40, 55, then 65. So 65 percentage he is spending on the remaining things. So 65 percentage of 80. So 65 divided by 100 into 80. So you can cancel 0 and 0. I think we can cancel this on 5 table. So once you cancel this on 5 table, 1 5s are 5, remaining will be 1, 5 3s are 15. Cancel this on 5 table 2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 3 will be 12, remaining will be 152. So 52 rupees is the total amount that he spends for children education, transport, medicine and entertainment. Now we already know that after spending this household, he add rupees 80. Now after this he spends 52 rupees. So subtract 80 and 52. So resultant will be 28 rupees. So finally we can say that he had a remaining 28 percentage cash with him. Now in the question they have directly given that he left with rupees 9,800, which is he had a cash of 9,800, and we have calculated after spending this much percentage he had 28 percentage remaining. So we can say that this 28 percentage is 9,000. How much? 9,800. Our target to find what is the monthly income. So monthly income we have kept as 100 rupees. Now you can make it as 100 percentage is equal to X. So friends, what are all the things we have done here is most important, and the word remaining plays a major role in this question, right? First of all, from rupees 100 we have just kept a base value, Mr. X salary as 100. From this 100, initially he spent 20 percentage on household. So we have found what is 20 percentage of 100, which is 20 rupees. So he spent 20 rupees on household. We have subtracted 100 minus 20, resultant will be 80 rupees. From this, out of remaining, that is important, from this 80 rupees he spent some percentage on medicine, education, etc. So we have added all the remaining values, and the remaining is 65 percentage. Out of this 80 rupees he spent 65 percentage remaining. So 65 percentage of 80, 65 by 100 into 80, so 52 rupees. So this 52 rupees he spends on education, transport, medicine and entertainment. So we have subtracted this 80 rupees and 52 rupees. So finally he had 28 rupees with him. Initially I have told you can keep this as 100 or otherwise 100 percentage. At last we are changing 28 rupees as 28 percentage. So after spending all these amount, he had 28 percentage with them, which is savings, and in the question they have directly given he left a cash of 9,800. So 9,800 is the savings amount. So savings percentage is 28 percentage. 28 percentage is 9,800. 100 percentage is equal to X. So now you can cross this. Our target to find the monthly income, right? So once you cross this you will get an answer. So X is equal to 9800 into 100 divided by 28. So I think we can cancel this on 2 table. So once you cancel this on 2 table 14, cancel this on 2 table 50, again cancel this on 2 table 25. So cancel this on 2 table 7. So cancel this on 7 table. 1 7s are 7, 7 4s are 28. So 1400 into 25. I think 35,000, right? So finally answer for this question is 35,000. Right, 35,000. So we can say that answer for question number 6, we got the total monthly income is 35,000. So friends, initially you will feel difficult while solving the question that is based on remaining. Once you practice more number of questions, then these are the questions will be so simple. So practice more and more the question that is based on remaining, because these are the questions are expected for all the competitive exams. Question number 7. A man spends 40% of his monthly salary on food and 1/3 of the remaining on transport. Again we have found the word remaining. So remaining is most important, right? So remaining on transport. If he saves rupees 4,500 per month, which is equal to of the balance after spending on food and transport, is monthly salaries. Interesting question. Our target to find what is man's monthly salary, and here we have found the word remaining. If you find the word remaining, then keep the base value as rupees 100. So while practicing, right, once you practice more number of questions, then you can keep as 100%. But if you are a beginner, keep this as 100% base value. So we are saying that Mr. A, right, a man spent, so we can say that a man's salary is rupees 100. We are just fixing as 100. From this 100, initially man spent 40% of a salary in what? Food, right? 40% for food. So what is 40% of 100? 40% of 100 is 40 rupees. So from salary that is 100 rupees, he is spending 40 rupees on food. So once you subtract 140, remaining he will have 60 rupees. Got it, friends? From the remaining, listen carefully, and 1/3 of the remaining, from this remaining he is spending 1/3 which is 1/3. So 1/3, when you cancel, this becomes 20. So he is spending 20 rupees on transport. Right, so finally he spent 20 rupees on transport and 40 rupees on food. Now again subtract 20 with 60, resultant will be 40 rupees. So finally he had rupees 40 now with him. Now what they are saying is, if he saves rupees 4,500, he is having a savings amount of 4,500, and this 4,500, which is equal to half the balance after spending on food and transport. What is the remaining amount that we have? 40 rupees. Now they are saying half the amount is rupees 20. So this rupees 20, which is 20%, so I have already told you that at last change this as 20%. So finally he had 20% cash with him, and we know that this savings amount is 4,500. So we can say that rupees 20% is 4,500. Our target to find what is monthly salary. So monthly salary 100% is equal to X. You can cancel 0 and 0. Again you can cancel 0 and 1 0. So 1 2s are 2. This will be 225. So finally we can say that answer is equal to 22500. So we got answer for question number 7, that is 22,500. So friends, got the logic. What we initially did is, we have fixed rupees 100 is man's salary. Initially he spent 40% on food, which is 40 rupees, and we have subtracted 100 minus 40, which is 60 rupees. Out of this remaining 60, he spends 1/3 on transport. So we have found what is 1/3. 60 into 1/3 will be 20. So 20 rupees he spends on transport. After spending, he had rupees 40 with him, and this rupees 40, they are saying he had 4,500 savings, and this 4,500 is equal to half of the remaining balance. Half of the balance after spending food and transport. After spending food and transport, he had 40 rupees. Half of this balance will be 20 rupees. So we can say that this 20 rupees can be set at 20%. So remaining 20% is the savings amount 4,500. So 100% is equal to X. So finally we got what is the total salary. So initially keep this as rupees 100. At the last you can change this as percentage, so that you won't make any mistake while solving a question. Initially if you keep this as percentage, sometimes beginners will make a mistake. So better keep this as 100. At last, after finding the answer, change this as percentage, so that you will get an answer easily. Question number 8. A person gave 20% of his income to his elder son, 30% of remaining to the younger son, and 10% of the balance he donated to trust. Listen carefully, there are two words important. One is remaining and the second word is balance. Both are same, right? So they are saying initially he spent 20% to elder son. So after that, from the remaining, he spent 30% to the younger son, and again after the remaining balance, he spent 10% on trust. So by using this value, our target to find, and he left 10,080 rupees. By using this value, what is 10,080 rupees, which is the savings? So by using this value, our target to find what is the income. So here we have found the word remaining. So better we can keep the base value as rupees 100. So we are fixing the person's salary is rupees 100. Initially from this 100 rupees, he spent 20% was younger son or elder son. Okay, 20% elder son. So 20% of 100, which is 20 rupees. So 20 rupees he is spending on elder son. So 100 minus 20, and he had 80 rupees with him. Now he will have 80 rupees. From this remaining, from this 80%, 30% he is giving to younger son. So 30%, right? So 30% of rupees 80. So we can cancel 0 and 0, percentage 24. So 24 rupees he is spending on Engerson. So subtract 80 and 24 will be 56. So finally he had rupees 56 cash with him. No. From the remaining balance, from this 56 rupees, 10% he is spending on trust. So again from this 56 rupees, 10% on trust. So 10% will be 5.6 rupees for trust. So when you subtract 56, 5.6, resultant will be 50.4. So finally we can say that he have 50.4 rupees cash with him. So final savings from the total 100 rupees is 50.4. So what I have done at the last, change this as 50.4%, right? Now the savings percentage will be 50.4 and he had a savings amount he is left with, which means savings. His savings amount is 10,080. So 50.4% will be 10,080 and our target to find what is income, that is 100%. So 100% is equal to X. Similarly cancel 0 and 0, make it as 504 and add another 0 here. So 504, this will be 2 times, so 200 into 100 will be 20,000. So finally we can say that answer for this question is 20,000. So we can say that his income will be 20,000. So friends, got it. So how we solve this question? Initially we have found the word remaining. So remaining and balance both are same. So they have given a word remaining. So we have kept, instead of 100%, we have kept the base value, that is salary, as rupees 100. Initially he spent 20% Elderson, which is 20 rupees. Subtract 100 minus 20 will be 80 rupees. From this remaining 80 rupees, he spent 30% on Engerson. So 30% of 80 is 24. So he spends 24 rupees on Engerson. So 80 minus 24, he add a balance of 56 rupees. From this 56 rupees, he spent 10% on trust, right? So 10% of 56 is 5.6. So 56 minus 5.6 will be 50.4. So finally he had 50.4 rupees cash with him. And I have already told you that initially keep this as rupees, at the last change as percentage. So finally he had 50.4% remaining, and in the question they have told that he had an amount of remaining 10,080. So we can say that remaining 50.4% will be 10,080. So 504 is equal to 1,800,000. So our target to find what is monthly salary is 100%. So 100% is equal to X. So finally we have calculated X is equal to 20,000 will be his income. Question number 9. The monthly salary of A and B together amounts to rupees 40,000. A spends 85% of his salary and B spends 95% of his salary. If now their savings are same, then what is the salary of A? So listen here, interesting question, and this question is different when compared to all the previous question. So what they are saying is, there are two persons, A and B, and their total monthly salary is 40,000. We don't know what about A's salary and B's salary, but when you add both the person's salary, then the total amount will be 40,000. And they are saying A spends 85% of the salary and B spends 95% of the salary, but both the savings are same. Right, got it. Both the savings, if now both the savings are same. So by using this data, our target to find what is the salary of the person A. So listen here, simplest question. So let me do one thing. We can fix the salary of A is X. We don't know what about the salary of A. So let me fix this as X, and the B salary will be 40,000 minus X. So got this logic, right? If A is 10,000, then B will be 30,000. If A is 20,000, B will be 20,000. Or if A is 30,000, B will be 10,000. Got it? So whatever be, both the salary, when you add both the salary, resultant should be 40,000. So we are fixing A salary as X, and the remaining salary will be B, which is 40,000 minus X. And now from this salary, A is spending how much? 85%. If he spends 85%, what about his savings? Savings will be 15%. So 15 by 100. So got it, friends? And here the person B spends 95% of the salary. If he spends 95%, what about his savings? Will be 5%, and both the savings are equal. So now put equal to symbol here. So you can cancel this 100 and 100. 1 5s are 5, you can cancel, and 5 3s are 15. So finally this can be written as 3x is equal to 40,000 minus x. So 3x minus x will be 4x is equal to 40,000. So finally x is equal to 10,000. So we got an answer. X is equal to 10,000, which is salary of the person A. And what is our target? Our target to find what is the salary of the person A. So finally we have found the salary of the person A is 10,000 and the remaining will be 30,000, which is salary of the person B. So got the logic, right? They can ask different type of question based upon this concept. So whatever be, but the logic is same. So remember that kept the salary of A is X and salary of B is 40,000 minus X. And what they are saying is their savings are equal. If their savings are equal, the person A spends 85%. If A spends 85%, then the savings will be 15. Similarly, B spends 95%. If he spends 95, then the savings will be remaining 5. So 5 by 100, 15 by 100, and both the savings are equal. So we have written here equal to symbol. So now once you cancel this, finally you got X is equal to 10,000, which is salary of the person A. Question number 10. Vipul decided to donate 12% of a salary to an orphanage. On the day of donation, he changed the mind and donated rupees 2,400, which was 125% what he had decided earlier. So how much Vipul's salary? So listen here, and these are the questions are repeatedly seen in many competitive exams again and again. So what is the data they have given? Interesting question. So our target to find what is Vipul's salary. From that Vipul's salary, he had decided to donate 12% on orphanage. And at the day of donation, he changed the mind and donated 125% what he decided earlier. What he decided earlier? He decided earlier to donate 12%. But from the 12%, at the day of donation, he donated 125%. Listen carefully, there is a format to solve this question. So let me keep Vipul's salary as X. From this salary, he had planned to donate 12% on orphanage. From a salary, what is his actual donation? He actually planned to donate 12%. But at the day of donation, he changed his mind and donated rupees 2,400, which is 125% what he decided earlier. He decided earlier to donate 12%, but at the day of donation, he changed the mind and donated 125%, which is 2,400. Friends, got it? So this is one of the most important thing while solving this question, right? Then this is the format we always proceed to solve this question, right? Vipul's salary. From this salary, initially he tried to donate 12% on orphanage, but at the day of donation, he donated rupees 2,400, which is 125% of actual donation. Actually, he tried to donate only 12%, right? 125 of 12%. Now you can cancel this, right? 125 can be as 125 by 100, 12%, 12 by 100 into Vipul's salary X is equals to 2,400. So now I think you can cancel this. 1 12s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and you can cancel this on 5 table. So this will be 20 times. Cancel this on 5 table. 5 2s are 10, which is 25, right? So 25. Next again we can cancel this on 5 table. 5 4s are 20. Cancel this on 5 table 5. So 1 5s are 5. So cancel this will share. So I think we can write this as X is equal to 2 into 200 into 20 into 4. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So finally we can say that answer for this question, Vipul's salary will be 16,000. So friends, finally we have solved 10 different questions on the lesson number 4, that is based on salary. So take your books and try to practice more and more number of questions that is based on salary, then only you will get an idea. So remember that if you find the word remaining or otherwise balance in the question, then try to keep the base value as rupees 100 and at the last change the value as percentage, so that you won't make any mistakes in the exam. So I hope that you have really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share this video to your friends so that your friends can also learn this. And don't forget to watch all my remaining lesson in the topic percentage. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.